Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to unlink an external bank account from Varo. If you don't have a Varo account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up, and get $50 when you join and spend $20 within 30 days of account opening. However, if you already have an account, just open the website varomoney.com, then click on Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for View External Accounts at the lower left part of the screen. Click on View External Accounts. On this page, you will see a button that says Manage External Accounts. Click on Manage External Accounts. Next, click on the View button beside the bank account you wish to unlink. Under Account Details, you will see a button that says Remove Account. Click on Remove Account. A pop-up message will appear asking if you are sure to remove the selected account. To continue, click on Remove. That's how you unlink an external bank account from Varo. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.